I've been making crab cakes for a long time. And one thing I know is I don't like a lot of shit in them. I don't want a bunch of bread and I don't want any mayo. I like to keep it simple. Just crab. This is some leftover crab from an event. I like claw and fin. It's like the dark meat, like turkey. This is some lump. It's not jumbo or fancy lump. It's just basic lump. Boom. Poblanos and red bell, fresh orange, chipotle cholula, honey, butter, little bit of panko, little little smoked paprika, little salt and pepper. That's it. Just give that a quick mix. Cake. So this is super crabby. They they stay together, but like what's cool about this mixture? You can just take this mixture and you can just throw it on a salad, like because it's not a bunch of bread and shit. Look at that. It's so nice. It's so crabby. That's a crab cake. I'll sear these off and they're good to go. Crab cake 101.